Quick video of how to utilize the video analysis tool. After downloading the apps, you're going to go ahead and open the app. The app that I'm using is KineVision. Once you open it, you can hit import video, and you're going to find the video that you just recorded of your individual and hit add. And then you're going to select your video, and here is where you can go ahead and edit and view the video. So you can hit the play button all the way at the bottom, which is going to play your entire video. Try to see what critical elements you can note. The ones that I saw was the step and ball by ear. But one time seeing that, I didn't catch everything. I didn't catch side to target. I didn't catch the trunk rotation, the shoulder rotation. So if the scroller up top is, you can slow it down, and there will be a yellow bar there. If you wanted to go even slower, the one below that, you can move even slower to view specific angles, specific movements when it comes to analyzing skill performance. Over to the right, there are some editing tools. There's the pen where you can draw whatever you like, an arrow, angle measure. There's also a line. And then there's also a circle. And you can also move things around if you need to. If you select a visual, if you select a line, for example, you can go ahead and hit that trash can over to the left side. It's going to delete it. If you want to delete everything, you'll see that there's 8 objects you can delete. If you click that, you can delete everything. All right, so let's take a look at this person's skill performance. We're going to take note of the first critical element, which is side to target. And as I'm noticing, the side is facing the target. So if we're looking at proficient skill performance of the overhand throw, we want to have the side shoulder, the non-throwing shoulder, facing the target. So from here, the things that I see the step towards the target, so we can mark that on our checklist. This person did perform that. And as I'm kind of looking at the downward angle of the throw, and I can utilize this ankle measure, and you can make some adjustments with it as well. Sometimes you might get messed up. You can also zoom in. You can also zoom in if you want to get a better angle and make adjustments. This is a great way you can give feedback. Now you want to have that downward swing before now bringing the ball by your ear to follow through. So this would be a great way to give feedback to students. They can visually see it. So I would give them a no for that. So ball is by ear, so I would give them that. And as you can see, the elbow is leading before the hand, so I would give them that on the checklist. Let's see their trunk rotation. So as you can see, their trunk rotation is blocked, which meaning the hips and the trunk move at the same time. And as you can see, they're both facing each other. You want to have both the hips rotating first before now your trunk, and then lastly your arm. So this one seems like everything is together, at least for the shoulders and for the trunk. So I would mark no for both of those. Yep, just you want to have the hips facing forward, and then after that the shoulders, and then after that the delay, the overhand throw. And then if we're looking at follow through, it seems like follow through is across the body, although maybe it could be a little bit more proficient. I would give this student or this individual yes on the checklist. So if we're looking at the whole entire skill, we could take note of the things that we couldn't see, and now that we can see by slowing it down and analyzing it. So when it comes to your checklist, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to upload, and also make sure that you're going to take screenshots as evidence of you utilizing the app, utilizing the visualizations, and also making suggestions and comments at the end of your checklist.